Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a little bit of a different video. I don't normally do this, but being couponers, we do get a lot of this Suave shampoo. And I mentioned in my videos before how this can be used as a cleaner. It really lifts up any type of dirt or anything that needs dirt pulled or stripped from it. It really works amazing. I know I get a lot of this shampoo from Rite Aid. It's like a buy one, get one 50% off. And then you get like $4 back in bonus cash. And then this bottle is only like $3, $2.99 or something. So I end up getting a lot of it. Sometimes with coupons, I get overage. So that's always on sale. And then us couponers always have an abundance of toothpaste. And if you have toothpaste that is about to go bad, I just want to show you guys how you can use it in another way. So today I'm cleaning my bathroom, and these are the two products I'm going to use. I know for me personally, I can't really use this as a shampoo because it really pulls out all the oils and coloring in your hair, and it doesn't really do well with my hair and keeping it like moisturized and keeping it from frizzing up. So I don't use this on my hair, but I use it for cleaning. I'll show you how I'm going to use it in the bathroom. And then this is going to help brighten up my bathtub and make it whiter. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I decided to make this video when I was already in the process of doing it. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up where I left off. So in my bathtub, I just sprayed it down with water. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. So, and then what I did with the Suave clarifying shampoo is I just kind of just spread it around just like this, just giving it a quick toss. I don't know if you can see that, but and then I wet my brush just a little bit, and I started spreading it throughout the whole bathtub. So that's what you see now. It's spread, and then as you can see, the dirt is falling down, all of the dirt buildup and grime and all that stuff. I mean, it works amazing. You couldn't even see the dirt before, and then it pulls it out. So it works really well. So you could even see it coming down on the bottom there. Yeah, it did not look that dirty, but like I said, it's pulling all the dirt up out of it. So it's already been a few minutes since I spread it out and scrubbed it. So I'm gonna just go on ahead and rinse it, and then we're gonna use the toothpaste to get this white. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I rinse it. Okay, so it's all been sprayed down. It's already looking pretty clean, and you can kind of see some of those little marks right there is where I actually put the clarifying shampoo. So we're gonna try to get this more white with the Colgate toothpaste. I'm pretty sure you can use any toothpaste, so we'll go ahead and spread it on there, and then I'm gonna use this scrubby pad to just spread it out and scrub it down. let it sit for a couple minutes and see how it turns out. All right, I'm a little out of breath, but I just wanted to show you the outside. So this is what it looks like after I put the clarifying shampoo on it and let it sit. It did bring up some dirt that wasn't visible to the naked eye beforehand. And then this is what it looks like after I scrubbed it down with the Colgate toothpaste. So that's the Colgate still sitting on it. I'm gonna wipe it up. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like with the shampoo and with the Colgate. And then I'm gonna go ahead and continue applying the Colgate here. It's already on my sponge and it's already taking the dirt up and making it nice and bright. So after that sits a couple minutes, I'm just gonna wipe it up with a wet rag. All right, so I just took a wet rag, an old t-shirt, and wipe the whole thing down, and as you can see, it's nice and bright white. So yeah, I got the outside. Now I'm just going to, I already finished scrubbing the toothpaste throughout the bathtub with this just, you know, light scrubber. So now I'm just gonna rinse it out and see what the whole thing looks like. All right guys, so here it is after waiting 2 minutes. I just went over it briefly with this, scrubbed it down, did not take very much elbow grease for that, and I rinsed it off, and there you go, you can see it. So you can see the difference between no toothpaste yet and toothpaste, and the rest of it I still have to do. I just wanted to do this one section for you, so you can see how our toothpaste cleans our bathroom really well. So this guy will lift up all the dirt, and then this guy will get it nice and white for you. here is the final product. Nice and clean, minty clean. These are the products I use just to clean it. I only used about a third of the container. It was halfway. I was already using it for something else. So I used about a third of this one, which is a 6-ounce tube. And then this was, I would say about here before I started. So I didn't use very much of this either. So it goes a long way. You don't really have to use a whole lot of it. But it gets your bathtub really clean. I'm pretty satisfied. I used to use scrubbing bubbles, but it was hard to find deals on those, so I stopped buying it as much and figured out how to use this. So yeah, guys, that's my little pro tip, I guess you would say, on how to use some of our excess couponing items that we get and have a lot of. At least I do. All right, guys, let me know in the comments if this was helpful, if you guys already do this, and if this is something you would want to see more content of. I just never think to put it out there. I figure who would be interested in that, but you never know. Yeah, so give me a thumbs up and leave me a line in the comments. All right, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.